picked off. Tumatakbo ang Las Piñas. But it's stolen right back by San Pedro. Sidestep move and the basket by Panahon.
Jonas Panahon reading the defense very well.
Game coach.
Oo, most likely. Dahil nga halos pareho yung mga pyesa eh.
Oo. And that is a basket. Here's Mendoza. Spins. Wanted to get it to the wing. Gets it to... That is Katukod for the basket. To Panahon. Panahon inside. Another basket.
Once again, yung spaces eh.
And here's Sarno. He will try a three. Yes!
Sabi ni Sarno. Hindi ko maintindihan.
And Gatlan couldn't handle the ball. So off and running is Las Piñas for another basket.
That's the first fast break attack.
Because taking another look at Sarno's three. Straight and true.
Blend naman dito sa sistema ng San Pedro.
True. And I will have to correct myself. That was a baseline inbound, but it results in a better pound-for-pound fitness foul counted play. Brought to you by Pound for Pound Fitness, the official. Rubang was asking for the ball inside. Jumper by Ferolino is good.
Ferolino right there. Very patient on the offense.
Member of our panel, Daphne Cristobal. I have to correct myself. Earlier, I said na tumawag ng timeout. End of quarter na pala yun. Kanina, nakita natin na how big of a factor the free throw misses were para dito sa kanilang 16 and under team. So, hopefully, they will be able to do better.
Point in the paint for San Pedro that time. Nahihanap din successfully yung kanilang bigay.
And that is that move. Hindi ininda ang 16-11, 5-point lead para dito sa Las Piñas with 7 minutes and 45 seconds to go here in the second quarter. Panahon drives in and gets the basket.
Panahon right there using his ball fake.
Nice step from behind. Eye in the sky play and Panahon makes it.
Back-to-back baskets para dito kay Jonas.
Ito ang Las Piñas. Nolasco for three. Short. But tracks the loose ball, gets it inside, and that is a basket for Africa. De Luna gets it back from Soliven and makes the layup.
Finally, a basket. Problema doon, walang sumabay na kakampi.
Here's Giban. Gives it up. That shot is in para dito kay Bea.
This has turned out to be a low-scoring ball game.
Eye in the sky play, Panahon! Yes!
That is a signature backdoor play para dito sa San Pedro.
With the ring in his sights, no good. Rebound and basket para dito kay Carlos Antonio de Guzman. No good. Lirio comes up with it. Here's Panahon. Panahon gets the basket.
Well, you know that he's really a finisher in the
They're
break.
short. Nauuna ulit si Panahon. Here he is, going up and in for the layup.
And if you're Las Piñas right now, you've got to look.
Parehong malakas. Tumatakbo ngayon si Pontaniel, and he will pick up a foul and a basket. Getting that pound for pound.
A much bigger and a heftier defender.
Si Sullivan yun, added Panahon. Really carrying his team. Ito namang sa kabila for the Las Piñas, Isa Botanica. Really, this game has been... Si Gatlan was not effective nung first half. And finally, immediately shows what he can do. Handle the pass. Coniconde off to the corner. Back to the wing. Three doesn't go. Coniconde with another rebound. Coniconde bumping bodies underneath and gets that shot. Oh. Katukod fakes the three. Goes inside. Layup is up and in. Plus the foul.
strong move mula dito. That blow by on that close out. Had to,
MPBL.
may mga ganong players, hindi sila kataasan.
Ano bang tawag doon? Hindi aerodynamic.
Oo, parang we will find the right words.
Yes, we will find the right words for that. Strong on the layup.
That was the case naman of tumalo na muna, no? Tsaka nainisip ko ano ang gagawin.
Katukod for three. Yes!
Much needed 3-pointer para dito sa Las Piñas.
Si Coach James dun sa smartness and cohesiveness na kailangan nila. And Ferolino bringing down the ball, passing it up to Rubang for the layup.
Yun ang masakit doon. The taller team ang nakatakbo.
Lead here.
Hoy, nakaw.
And Rubang with the basket.
Stock play para
And ito ulit ang San Pedro tumatakbo. That's Ferolino with the layup.
Ferolino that time making sure that he's going to
Loses the ball. We've got Pontaniel up ahead missing, but Balagtas is there for the putback.
That's what you do if you're a big guy. Do trail. Dadalawang isip ka.
Oh.
Tinatlong isip mo pa.
And there was no hesitation there. Wala dito kay Umali.
Itira na eh.
Eye in the sky play. Gadlan kicks it back out to Soliven. Soliven back to Gadlan for the jumper. Yes!
That's what you call keeping it simple para dito sa San Pedro.
With the trail job. And Umali with that triple here in the fourth quarter. Here's Umali for three. Yes! That's his second in the second half.
High arcing 3-pointer.
But no good. Pontaniel stops and pops. No good. Nice Pinoy step move by Katukod for the layup.
Yun yung sinasabi is feeling his shots. Tignan mo naman yun.
Oh,
Dalawa dinaanan
Diba?
because of that Pinoy step.
Ganda ng pagkagaito yun. 1, 2. Yan. Sarno kicks it out. Palmero, 8 seconds on the shot clock. And that is in para dito kay Katukod.
An 8-point lead. Probably. Is this the biggest lead?
I think so, Coach. But it did not stay for too long. No good. That was blocked by Soliven. Tumatakbo dito si Panahon. Yes! Gadlan. And another chance for Panahon.
What a luxury to have.
Umali with the rebound. Katukod. That ball is stolen by Panahon. Panahon will attack and will make the layup.
Panahon working on both ends of the floor, getting that steal.
Sarno kicks it back to Pontaniel. Pontaniel for the triple. Yes!
That was how wide open itong si Pontaniel.
Panahon. Panahon attacking inside. Loses his defenders as makes the layup.
Jonas Panahon, he's just very...
Let's take another look at that layup from Panahon. Beautiful. De Luna back to Sullivan. Blow by. Gets it to the corner. Yes!
Good extra pass.
That's stolen by Coniconde. Pushes it up. Back to Coniconde. And he is fouled and gets the basket.
Because he was streaking down the floor, nahanap siya. And against a taller defender.
Start of the third quarter. But here he is once again, trying and making. What a move!
Take a look at that. Na-late yung kanyang bantay doon, and that's all he need. That little amount of space.
Let's take one last look. They're trying
Stepping
to...
ba?
Wala. Wala. It is a three-point shot. Earlier, na sobrang binagalan nila yung laro. Panahon loses the ball. This is Coniconde. Coniconde is fouled. To mark Panahon. They get it to Gadlan for three. Short. And it's taken by Katukod, and he is fouled by Sol. Throws here. Takes the first.
Game.
And he makes the two. Goes up. And that's off. And so at the end of the ball game, the score is 61 to 57, a 4